Looking for a spacious house sa Cavite na mas mura kaysa market price? Ito na ang rare chance mo. Bank Foreclosed Property sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. This is a Gabriel Inner Lot. Lot area 120 square meter, floor area 88 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Starting bidding price, 4,305,600 only. Mas mababa compared sa current market value. Kaya grab the opportunity habang available pa. Payment terms, 10% down payment, 50,000 reservation fee, deductible sa DP if you win, 90% bank financing or cash payment, PDC or manager's check accepted. Reminder, as is where is basis, at bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Foreclosed deals like this don't last long. Ang dami naghahanap ng affordable home sa Lancaster, kaya kung gusto mo sumali sa bidding, act now. Good news, free house tour assistance is available at tutulungan ka rin namin step by step kung paano mag-join ng bidding. Lancaster, New City, complete township with schools, church, transport hub, malls at lahat ng kailangan ng pamilya mo. Don't wait, message us now before someone else gets this deal.